Hello guys, welcome back with me. Ciao Ciao 2025. Today we going to learn how to continue a song using AudioCraft plus version 2.0.1. How to install it could refer to the video description. There are link about how to install it. Anyway, open you AudioCraft. In Music, Gene tab, select Audio. In Input mode, select Sample. In Input Audio, drag audio file there. Back to generation. Select duration. Set the duration longer the input audio, because the original audio will be kept. So if you have lower duration, there will be no audio generation. In this example, I put 15-second music and convert to 35-second music. You could still play the prompt, but I think it has really small part at creating the music. The original music will be the main part of music generation. Here are a few examples. You could also put the result to the input audio by clicking Send Input to Audio. Anyway guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. See you again on the next episode. And have a nice day. Please subscribe.